Wait until you see what Wuling has done with the 2025 Hongguang Mini EV. It's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Wuling Hongguang Mini EV, and trust me, you're going to be blown away. We're talking about a car that's already disrupted the market, and now it's getting a major overhaul. From what we've seen in the leaked specs and early previews, Wuling is doubling down on what made this car so popular in the first place: affordability and practicality. But they're also addressing some of the criticisms and adding features that are going to make this car even more appealing to a wider audience. We are seeing upgrades in the battery technology, meaning a longer range for your daily commutes and weekend adventures. Forget range anxiety. Plus, the interior is getting a serious makeover with upgraded materials, a larger infotainment screen, and more comfortable seating. We're going to explore how these changes will impact the driving experience, the overall value proposition, and whether the 2025 model will continue the Hongguang Mini EV's reign as the king of affordable EVs. Get ready, because this is going to be a game changer. Let's get into the nitty-gritty details. Beyond the extended range and the interior upgrades, the 2025 model is rumored to have improved safety features. This is a big deal because safety has been a concern for some potential buyers. Think enhanced braking systems, more airbags, and potentially even some driver assistance features like lane departure warning. And it is not just safety. We are also hearing about a faster charging time. Less time plugged in means more time on the road. This is another huge win for everyday usability. But the real story here is the price. Wuling knows that affordability is key. They're committed to keeping the 2025 model accessible to as many people as possible. We will break down the potential pricing tiers, financing options, and compare it to the competition. We'll look at the long-term cost of ownership, including insurance, maintenance, and electricity costs, to see if the Wuling Mini EV is truly the most budget-friendly option on the market. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the changes. So, is the 2025 Wuling Hongguang Mini EV the right car for you? That depends on your needs and priorities. If you're looking for a stylish, high-performance electric vehicle with all the bells and whistles, this might not be it. But if you're looking for an affordable, practical, and environmentally friendly way to get around town, the 2025 Wuling Mini EV is definitely worth considering. Its compact size makes it perfect for navigating crowded city streets and squeezing into tight parking spots. The electric powertrain means zero emissions and incredibly low running costs. With the upgraded range and features, it's now even more capable than ever before. What are your thoughts? Would you consider buying this as your first EV? Drop a comment below and let me know what features would seal the deal for you. I'm genuinely curious to hear your opinions. And hey, if you subscribe, maybe, just maybe, you'll manifest that dream car into reality. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Wuling Hongguang Mini EV, give this video a big thumbs up. Leave it. Comment down below, letting me know what you think of this car. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more electric vehicle news and reviews. Share this video with anyone who might be interested in affordable EVs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.